So it's day 12 of the smoothie challenge, and here's what's on the menu. Superberry smoothie bomb with some watermelon, strawberries, ice and coconut water. Let's get started. So, icing first. You can actually put quite a lot of ice and make this really icy and particularly great in summer, but at the moment I've just put a cup worth. Some strawberries and watermelon. Watermelon's great in some smoothies for summer. And of course some coconut water. Let's get the smoothie bomb going. This one's really refreshing and great for kids after school. You can even put them in those icy pole holders and make icy poles for kids with this, so it's really versatile. Okay, and we give it a buzz for... So 60 seconds later, we've got this delicious smoothie. Let me know what you think.